Hey, welcome back. So one of the reasons why I decided to recently switch from Android to iOS is that I want to experience the best camera system on a smartphone out in the market right now. And as we all know, arguably, one of those best camera system on a smartphone can be found on the latest iPhone 13 series. So in this quick video, I just want to share with you a video that I shot using the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the aid of the DJI OM5 gimbal. Now, most of the clips were shot using the ProRes at 4K 30 FPS, and I also did a little bit of color grading, but to be honest, I'm not that good at it, so please bear with me. Now, this video was shot during the weekend in celebration of my little boy's christening, so enjoy. And there you have it, guys. Honestly, basing from that video, I think I can confidently use the iPhone 13 Pro Max for my social media content creation, especially for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, probably YouTube, to supplement my Sony a6400 and my Sony ZV-1 main cameras. So if I just want to quickly snap photos, I can easily pull out the iPhone 13 Pro Max and I don't have to set up my main cameras right here. And honestly, as you all know, convenience is the most important thing that you can get using your smartphone. And honestly, the image quality coming from this tiny sensor and tiny cameras are substantial enough for my preference and my needs for content creation. So yeah, I think my decision for switching from Android to iOS, especially with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, is a good decision. And if you want to grab one, by the way, thank you very much to Beyond the Box for providing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can get this, especially if you live here in the Philippines, on their official website as well as on their physical stores nationwide. As for the DJI OM5 gimbal, I bought it from Shopee, from DJI's official Shopee store. You can also use my link if you're interested. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this quick video, guys. I hope you also had a very good weekend, and let's look forward to a very productive week. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.